So today we have finally received our Marvel Avengers Endgame Marvel Collector's Corps mystery box. As you can see, this box is definitely one of the more plainer looking ones in my opinion. I think ever since Amazon took over, they have just basicked out the box. They have made the box a little bit more basic. Almost dropped it there. I don't know if there's anything that could have broken, so thank God I did not drop this. But anyways, as you can see, it just says Marvel's Endgame, Marvel Collector's Corps. And it does have a bunch of logos of mostly everyone from the Marvel Cinematic Universe. But now, of course, let's untape this and open this up. I really don't like to look inside. I like to show you guys and reveal what's inside and have a genuine surprise. Okay, so on top here we do have a t-shirt, like the very so I guess I can show you guys inside real quick. And wabam, I didn't look, but let's see how the t-shirt is. Okay, here's the shirt in its plastic little thing. Oh, and it's the Thor Big Lebowski. So it's of Thor drinking milk, surrounding himself with like food I guess a gamer would have to defeat new Master 69. But anyways, moving on. Let's see what our next item is. Okay, so I feel two bigger boxes and a smaller item. I'm gonna go for the little item, and it is a Thanos and Tony Stark magnet or coaster. Okay, they're coaster sets. Awesome. Okay, so these are pretty cool. They're the Iron Man and Thanos coasters, and they do have like this plasticky on the other side. That way it doesn't slip on the surface and it's more stable of a coaster. So this is pretty neat. So next up, they do have an advertisement for their July theme, which is the Spider-Man Far From Home, which I will also be getting because I don't get every Marvel Collector Corps. So if you do want to see that, make sure to drop that like and hit that subscribe button. But let's move on to the bigger boxes, which the first one is a Valkyrie Collector Corps. I meant to say Marvel Collector Corps exclusive of the Valkyrie, and it is of Valkyrie with her Valkyrie armor, which apparently they didn't do for Thor Ragnarok for some odd reason, but now they did do one, and it's pretty cool, and it does resemble kind of like that white suit that all the other Avengers wore. So this is the Valkyrie out of the box. It's pretty cool to see her with her armor and her blade. They even have her hair very detailed and done, and with her little symbol of I guess the Valkyrie on her cape. And this is honestly, I was like, oh, it's a Valkyrie, but now looking at outside the box, this is a really awesome detailed pop. So now moving to what feels like is the last item in the box. No! Oh my god, I'm so glad I got this. So I literally lost my words once I saw what he had. It is Captain America holding his shield with his scale Captain America suit while holding Mjolnir. Hell yeah. This is awesome. Seriously? This is just amazing. Like, you could totally tell the scales on his chest. I'm literally lost for words on this amazing Funko Pop. And yeah, that is everything. Definitely a high note to go out of. Make sure to tune in to the next video where I did manage to get my hands off the Marvel exclusive Marvel 10-year celebration Thanos was a floating throne, where I will unbox that. But guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to drop that like and share this video. If you're new here and want to see more theme park fun, nerd stuff, unboxings, just fun stuff in general, make sure to hit this subscribe button. And as always guys, I hope to see you all in the next video.